Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can change and organize the Start menu on Windows 11. Maybe you work a lot and having a customized Start menu would improve your workflow. It's easy and fun to do. We'll also see how to align the taskbar items to the left. At the top here in the Start menu we have the Search, where you can left click and search for files or settings on your computer. Then we have the Pin section. These are basically apps that you have installed on your device and they are pinned over here as a shortcut. If you left click on all apps over here, you will be able to see the full list of programs and apps installed on your computer. There's also a scroll in the pin section, so if you click over here on this little dot, it will scroll down, but you can also use the scroll wheel on your mouse. And at the bottom, there's a section called Recommended, where you will see recently installed program, recently accessed files. If you left click on More, you will be able to see a more complete list. What I want to show you first is the fact that you can create folders using the pinned icons. For example, if we left click on Excel and hold and drag it over the PowerPoint icon, we will see a little animation, and if we release, they will be put in a folder. And you can add even more icons using the same technique. It might be a good idea, for example, to sort your different icons based on their utility. For example, all the Office icons in a folder. And if you left click here where it says edit name, you can even name it to Office. Left click anywhere in the box to release, and the name has changed now. If you want to add more icons over here, just left click on all apps and then right click on an app that you want to add over there and left click on pin to start. Music B is already there. Let's try with Acer Purified Voice Console. Right click and left click on pin to start. And if we look right now, we should find it over here. What you can also do is right click on an icon and click on move to front, and it will bring it at the top if you need to use it more often. And you can also pin to the taskbar over here at the bottom, or unpin from start or from taskbar, and also uninstall, and we have the app settings. If you want to customize the start menu even more, what you can do is right click and then left click on start settings, and here you have more options. You can choose to see more pins by left clicking on the first layout option. Let's see how it looks like. And as we can see, we have more pinned icons and the recommended section has gone shorter. Or you can choose to see more recommendations. And now the pinned section has only 2 rows and we have more recommended files. You can also choose what you want to see in the recommended. We have the possibility to enable or disable recently added apps, most used apps, or recent items. And of course you can left click on these buttons to enable or disable the specific options, and if you disable them all, the recommended would be empty. Also, there's an option called folders. You can choose to check certain icons and they will be displayed over here next to the power option. So I'm just gonna add 2 more icons to see how it looks like this, and this way you have more shortcuts over there. Lastly guys, like I promised, there's a way to align the taskbar items to the left. If you just left click on personalization over here at the top, but this time go to taskbar settings over here where it says taskbar, and then scroll down a little bit and left click on taskbar behaviors. You will have the option to align the taskbar to the left. It's currently set to center, but if you left click on this button and left click on left, we see that the taskbar items have moved to the left. And now we have the start menu similar to Windows 10 and previous versions of Windows. Lastly, guys, I want to show you that you can also change the themes. If you go back to personalization at the top and then go to colors, you can choose a custom mode, and you can also choose the default window mode to be dark. And what this will do is it will make the taskbar and the start menu dark. And now if you change the accent color over here, it will also give a minimal color touch to the start menu. For example, right now it's red, but you can also change it to blue. And right now we see the little line here is blue and the text is also blue. Hopefully that helps you. Okay guys, that's it in short in regards to organizing and customizing your start menu. We hope you find this helpful and change the start menu to suit your needs. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.